If you're just getting started with Forex trading, one of the first skills you need is knowing how to set up and combine multiple indicators on your MT4 or MT5 platform properly. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through adding, customizing, and sensing indicators like our Bollinger Bands, moving averages, MACD, ATR, and more, so you can start building your own strategy layout with real structure. Let's dive right in. First, launch your MT4 or MT5 terminal and open any currency pair chart. Lucky you are. USD if your chart looks cluttered or has a default template. Clean it up first. Right-click anywhere on the chart. Select template greater than remove template, or just open a fresh chart to start with a clean slate. No! Let's start with our first indicator, Bollinger Bands. Go to the top menu and click Insert Greater Than Indicators, Greater Than Trend, Greater Than Bollinger Bands. A window will pop up. Set the period to 20, which is standard. And the deviation to this will place your upper and lower bands around a 20-period moving average. You can change the line thickness and color if needed. Use blue or light green for visual clarity. Click OK. You'll now see the Bollinger Bands overlaid directly on your price chart. Next, let's add the Relative Strength Index. Click Insert Greater Than Indicators, Greater Than Oscillators, Greater Than Relative Strength Index. The default period is 14. That's fine for most setups, but feel free to test 9 or 21 depending on your strategy. Set fixed levels at 30 and 70 and change the color of the line to something visible. Maybe orange or yellow. Click OK. RSI will now appear in a separate window below your chart. Now let us add the moving average. You can use this for trend direction or dynamic support resistance. Go to Insert Greater Than Indicators, Greater Than Trend, Greater Than Moving Average. Choose a period. Say 50 for a medium-term trend, or 200 for a long-term reference. For the MA method, you can select exponential or simple depending on your system. Use IMA for faster reaction. Choose a different color, maybe red or green, so it stands out clearly against your candles. If you want to add a second moving average, say a 90 MA, for entry signals, just repeat the same process with a different period and color. Now you've got your crossover setup. 9 EMA and 50 EMA, or 200 SMA, for example. Let's add MACD now. Insert Greater Than Indicators, Greater Than Oscillators, Greater Than MACD. In Mount 4, the default McDoney displays a line and histogram, not the signal line. That's okay. You'll see the difference between fast and slow EMOs as they hit. In MT5, you'll have full MACD line, signal line, and hit. Set fast, EMA to 12 slow, EMA to 26, signal to 9. Classic setting. Customize the histogram color for contrast. Dark red or lime green. Work. Well, last, let's add 8 TR for volatility. Insert Greater Than Indicators, Greater Than Oscillators, Greater Than Average True Range. Set the period to 14, which is standard. No need to change levels. Just monitor the line height to assess volatility. A TR appears in its own window below. Great for setting dynamic stop loss or recognizing quiet versus explosive markets. Once you've added all your indicators, you'll notice Mount 4, MT5 stacks them in layers. Some on the price chart, others in. You can drag the edges of each window to resize or right-click and go to Properties to edit them anytime. Now here's a powerful tip. Save this setup as a custom template. Right-click on the chart, select Template, Greater Than Save Template. Name it something like RSI_BBMA_setup. The next time you open a chart, load this template instantly without repeating the process. Want to take this further? If you use Mount 5, you can run multi-chart views, open multiple tabs, or even tile windows to view different currency pairs with the same setup. You can also install custom indicators or templates from trusted sources, including Innohedge. Here's the truth. Indicators are just tools. The real edge comes from combining them with logic, context, and tested strategy. That's why at Innohedge, we go beyond indicators. We show you how to turn these tools into winning systems with templates, trade management plans, and live coaching from experienced traders. If you're tired of guesswork and want to trade with structure, not stress, join Innohedge today and unlock your complete indicator toolkit, guided tutorials, and real trade logic. Let's build your setup, and let's build it smart.